Hello, this video tonight, what I wanted to show you was kind of talk a little bit about swing trading. And we're taking a look at just our fairly standard workspace using our Ultimate Swing Trader strategy. But one of the things that I've kind of noticed, certainly in, well, call it recent months, maybe even recent years, is the fact that a lot of the active traders have gone on to look at, of course, futures and now Forex being the big hot thing to be involved in. And a lot of people forget a little bit about how much opportunity there is when you swing trade. And that can definitely mean swing trading Forex as well as futures. But stock trading, it's still out there. There's still lots of opportunities on the stock side. And we've been doing this with NetPicks for coming into our 14th year. When we started out for the first several years, it was all about stock and options trading. And it was really well before futures and Forex really came into vogue. But the opportunities are still there. It's a thing that a lot of people really have forgotten. There's a lot of advantages that we've talked about in recent months with swing trading. There's obviously a lot less stress, a lot less trading transactions. You can definitely plan better. You're not having to make these split-second decisions. Lots of great stuff. Now, the one thing that a lot of people don't like when they swing trade is the fact that this is an amazing move up right on Apple. This just triggered for us on July 14th, and you can see our profit target number 1, our profit target number 2, profit target number 3 were all hit. And if we were to go back and look at this in retrospect, it looks great. But this did take 1, 2, 3, the 4th day to get to the second target, 5th, 6th, and the 7th day to literally gap up and over the final target. And that's what people run into. They get very impatient when it comes to swing trading, because a lot of us really are used to these days that active day trade where you're in, you're out, it's been 5 minutes, and you already have instant gratification. Of course, a lot of times it's not so gratifying if it doesn't go your way. This is research in motion, and there's just been some great moves recently. I was just going to show you this one going long right in here. Just on a basic 30-minute chart, nothing fancy. And you can see that we got to the first target that I marked on the screen with the horizontal line, and of course looking for the second target, which we haven't gone there as of yet. We're kind of hovering around the first target so far. But again, it takes, this is over the course of, could be a week or two. Now in an options trade, you can get a tremendous return on a lot of these trades. Okay, another one that we trade a lot is Wynn Resorts. Tends to be one that really can take off up or down. And again, same situation. We've had a very nice move here recently, but the trades don't happen right away. So the thing that I recommend people to do is kind of mix in both day trading or active trading with your swing trading. I just try to encourage people who are only day trading to remember there's these swing trade opportunities that are out there, and whether you do it with stock or with options, or if you don't want to deal with stock at all, you of course can do it in Forex or even futures. And I'll show you in the days ahead some of the action that we're seeing, for instance, in the futures markets. But a lot of times it's not even in the most obvious markets, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about where the best opportunity is in futures and even in Forex. It's not always the one market that everybody else is trading. So I'm going to talk about some of the alternatives that are out there. But the bottom line is, I'll scroll through some more of the charts and some recent trades. You can see a short trade here that's developing on this LEAP, which is another market that tends to trade very well for us. And we've had good success with it, as you can see over time. You can see the most recent short that went down. I think this one actually ended up going down. Let's see how far down did we get? About $25. So we got pretty much to the target here, kind of midway between to our first and second target. Pretty nice move, obviously, overall on that one. So those are some of the keys. I'll show you a couple more symbols in case you're a stock trader. These are some more stocks that tend to trade very well. This one is one that we just finished a long trade on. You can see where we kind of caught this one. Got it, sure, a little lucky. Some good things happened here on July 24th. But sometimes it just kind of goes that way with the setups. There's a reason the setups happen where they do, and it doesn't surprise us when we actually see these kind of moves that happen after a setup. So the lesson really to think about is, number one, think about swing trading. Number two, realize swing trading does take some patience. It does take some time. My suggestion is, if you're just not the most patient person, I mean, I'm not, is to go ahead and continue to do your active trading, but start to work in some of the swing trading into the mix. and you just might be surprised how much, I guess, more pleasurable many times the swing trading can be, because the stress level really should be down. You definitely, if you are swing trading, never want to have a swing trade that you have to monitor throughout the day and throughout the night. I mean, the best swing trades are the ones that you check on, once, twice a day, and that's it. So I'm going to wrap this one up right now, but we'll talk some more about in the coming days the swing trades on some futures and some forex and some other advantages.